The scorched aftermath of wind-propelled fires.
That's right. Reporter Jake RYLE explains the challenges the crews faced battling two different brush fires, one in Edgewood, another one in Union.
Well, rain is the big threat this evening, but for the majority of the afternoon, it was high winds, and that gave quite the challenge for several fire crews across the tri-state. Edgewood Police and Fire rushed to the 900 block of Dudley Road around 2:15 Wednesday for a wires down call.
While en route to that call, we started getting some additional calls that we had some fire smoke in the area.
Fire Chief Tom DICKMAN says they had to wait for Duke Energy to get to the scene to shut off power before they could put water on the flames. In the meantime, the fire quickly spread.
We wanted to start up some type of barrier between the home and that fire to prevent any spread to that home.
The owner of that home, KAMATH.
So I heard a loud explosion and came out and looked. Power flickered a couple of times, started smelling smoke.
He got out safely. For several hours, he watched, waiting. Fire quickly spread to within feet of his home.
Hopefully the embers don't catch my house on fire. That's what's going through my mind more than anything. You know, that's a little ember on the roof, a good wind, and it all goes up in flames.
He says he's lucky his house was spared from any damage.
Very relieved, yes. Thank God it didn't happen.
But much of his backyard took the brunt of the damage. In Union, fire crews dealt with the same issues, high winds and a brush fire at Potter's Ranch. Crews there were able to contain the fire. They left, but hotspots reignited it, causing another challenge for firefighters. Fire officials we spoke with say training for high wind situations is difficult, but they adapt and move forward.
It is part of what we do. It's not something that we necessarily train on. It's just part of our suppression activities and training that we go through.
We'll keep an eye out for power outages. As soon as we have more information, we'll put it on WCPO.com. For now, reporting in Edgewood, Jake RYLE, WCPO 9 News.